Hello students, today we are going to continue with our maths lesson number 7 coordinate geometry. So this earlier we have seen from this lesson that section formula, even when the midpoint is given at that time, how we will use that section formula, that one we have seen. Even we have seen how to find out distance by using distance formula. Now we are going to see how to find out the area of a triangle when its coordinates are given. Suppose this is the one triangle here whose coordinates are x1, y1, then B point having x2, y2 and C is what? x3, y3. These are the coordinates are given. Now we are going to find out the area of a triangle. So for that purpose, as we know, the area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height, right? But base we should know. So that base we don't know here. So what we will do, we are directly here we are going to use that formula, which is equals to area of a triangle equals to half into x1 coordinate will multiply with the y2 minus y3 plus x2, then it is multiply with the y3 minus y1, then plus x3 y1 minus y2. So likewise this formula we will use to solve exercise 7.3. So from that question number 1 we will see. So you also write it down, that question I am writing here. So that question, see here, very first find the area of a triangle whose vertices are. Exercise 7.1. So very first it is given, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are, very first 2, 3, then minus 1, 0, then we have 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4. By using these coordinates we are going to find out simply the area of a given triangle. So as we have the formula, so we will use that formula and we will find out the area of a triangle. So we will write here area of a triangle, area of a triangle equals to, I'll write here below that whole formula, half into the formula x1. Now see student, this is the first point whose coordinates are there, second point's coordinate, third point coordinates are given. So here x1 we will have inside bracket y2 minus y3, then plus sign we have x2, so that formula y3 minus y1, then plus we have x3 inside a bracket y1 minus y2. Now for this we don't have to learn the formula. If you put a trick inside your mind or just use the trick over here, see, when I am taking x1, right? So x1 when I am taking is multiplied with the difference of y coordinate. So y coordinate next to it was first y2 comes and then y3. So first y2 minus y3 we will take. Then for x2, now x2 we will take. So x2 के आगे हमें next coordinate है y3 and then y1 आने वाला है. So y3 minus y1 we will take. Now x3 when we will take, so that time we are not going to consider y3 coordinate. So x3 will y1 minus y2. Understood this one? So likewise we will have the formula. Now we will solve this one. So how we will solve? Let us see. We are going to simply put those values. If you are not understanding, so that time you just write it down above those coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2 right? So likewise you can keep writing above the coordinates. So here I'll write, if you want x1 y1, this is x2 y2 x3 y3, right? So written, now just put the values, half into bracket x1 is 2, then multiply by y2 minus y3. So 0 minus minus, it will be plus, because already minus sign is there, and minus 4, so minus plus, then plus sign next. X2 is minus 1, so we'll write minus 1 into what, y3 minus y1. So y3 is your minus 4 and minus y1 is minus 3, then plus x3 is 2, so 2 we will write, and inside a bracket that y1 minus y2, so 3 minus 0. Understood up to here? Now let us solve further. So while solving, what we will do, that first solve the bracket and then go for the multiplication, and just put the underline just below it, because इन दोनों के अलावा हमें किसी का multiplication नहीं करना है, right? So first we will solve a bracket. So bracket when solve, so 2 multiply by 0 plus 4 is 4, plus, now I'll put an underline below it because I just want to multiply those two. Then minus 1 is multiplied with the minus plus. We'll do addition, but the sign will be minus only. So minus 7 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is minus 0 is 3. So okay, bracket close. Now 1 upon 2 multiply by, अब हमें, और still we are just going to take outside this number outside the bracket. So how we will take, 2 4s are 8. First do the addition and subtraction and then go for the means division. See here, minus 1 7s are plus 7 and 2 3s are 6, right? So we will have here 1 upon 2 multiply by 8 plus 7 plus 6. Do the addition of these three numbers. So we will have 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So I'll write here area of a triangle equals to 21, we will multiply with the 1, so 21 upon 2, right? So this is the area which we have got over here. So let us see, it is, after this we have found out area, na? So after finding out area, write it down square. Now centimeter meter is not given, so we will simply write square unit. Understood this one? Units are very important. So area of a triangle is equals to this. Put a box, always put a box for the answer, so that your answer directly highlights the examiner, and means it will be presentable, right? That's why I am putting a box for the answer. Now in the second question, from this question number 1, you solve it as an homework. Third one, now question number 2, we will go for it. Now we will see question number 2. So what is this question number 2? In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. In each of the following, find the value of k for which So I'll start with it. The second one, that is 8 1, then k minus 4 and 2 minus 5. You write it down this sum and let us see how to solve this. Written sum. Now see, here the points are given, and here whether one more information is given that the points are collinear. So whenever the points are collinear and we are just finding, means we are having the area of a triangle. So at that time we will write here first of all that since the given points are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. Must be 0. Write it down 0. Understood this one? See, the collinear means those points are in a one single line, right? So whenever the points are in a single line, at that time what the area is equals to 0, right? So for a triangle, from that triangle will not forming a triangle. For formation of a triangle, we require 3 non-collinear points, right? So by that only we get the area. If it is not, if the points are collinear, that time the area of a triangle equals to 0. So let us solve this one further. So in the similar way we are going to find out as we have solved the earlier sum. First we will go for the area of a triangle which is equals to 0. We will write. So we'll write here half into, first write it down that formula, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, which is equals to 0, right? This equals to 0. Why? Because the points are collinear, that's why. So let us have this half into. So x1 we have here, this is your x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? So x1 is our 8 multiply by, or we will put inside a bracket that y2 is minus 4 and y3 is minus 5. So minus 5 it becomes plus 5. Then plus x2 is k, so we'll write k, and y3 is minus 5 and minus 1. y1 is, then plus x3 is our 2, inside a bracket we have y1 minus y2, so 1 plus 4, because minus 4, तो minus 4 का हो जाएगा plus 4, and this equals to 0. So let us solve it. I'll simply write here 1 upon 2 multiply by, inside a bracket, let us open this bracket first, minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1, we'll put underline, then plus k minus 5 minus 1, we'll do addition, so addition is minus 6, underline, then plus 2 into 4 plus 1 is 5, underline, equals to 0. Now 1/2. This one put an arrow over here so that we are just going to come to know that this is a new step. So 8 ones are 8. Then minus 6k. I'll write here minus 6k or k6 also you can write, but this is a more comfortable. 2 5s are 10 equals to 0. Now 1/2. 2 is divided. Here just transpose. It will be multiply. So we will get what? 0 answer. So I'll write here, and 8 plus 10 is 18 minus 6k. Have you understood what I have done over here? That 1/2, 2 is divided. So when I shift towards right side, so it becomes what? Multiplied. So 2 zeros is 0. Now we will shift 18 towards this side. So minus 6k will remain as it is, equals to minus 18. Plus 18, it becomes minus 18. Consider the front sign, not this one. 18 having plus sign. So when I have transposed right side, it becomes minus 18. Understood? Now minus minus sign automatically get cancelled. So we will get only simply that, and 6 just transpose it. So 6 is multiplied. When we will transpose here, it becomes divide. So 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are. Right? So we will divide. So what answer we got here? K value is what? 3. It is simple, no? Therefore, K is equals to 3. K value we got. Understood? It is very simple one. So, second one done. Now we will move towards the question number 3. Have you understood this one? Now in question number 3, what is given? Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Just write it down, copy down the question from your textbook, so that I will also here copy down that question. Okay, written this up. Now let us find out the area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides. So first of all, see student, whatever the written part is given, so by that written part we are going to draw a figure, right? In the exam also that figure has marks, right? So we'll first draw a figure of a triangle. Now this figure, just we will label it as A, B, C. This is the given triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, then 2, 1 and C is 0, 3. Right? These vertices are given. Now what is given? One more, that the midpoints of these sides, when we join the midpoints, let us join. So from that, whatever the triangle is formed, this triangle, right? So their vertices we are going to find out first, because the vertices are not given. We are going to find out area of this DEF. मैंने DEF लेबल किया है, उस तरह से लेबलिंग we will have. Now we will find out. Let us find out that here. First write it down. Let A is equals to, or A point is what? 0, -1. B equals to 2, 1 and C equals to 0, 3. Similarly, now we are going to find out D, right? So how we will find out D? As in the question it is given that these are the midpoints, right? These are the midpoints. So midpoint formula we know, na? So the D is the midpoint of AB. So how we will find? Simply X and Y we are just going to add, right? No? So X2, X1, X2 and that of the Y2, Y1, Y2. So X and Y coordinate we are going to find out. So let us have those one. So 0 plus 2 upon 2, right? X1 plus X2 divided by 2. That one will be our X coordinate and Y coordinate will be what? Minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. Right? So what is our D now? So D is equals to 0 plus 2 is 2. Right? Or 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 is 0 and 0 divided by 2 is 0. I'll show here. See, 2 divided by 2 and minus 1 plus 1 is 0 divided by 2. So that is what? D we got 1, 0. Understood this one? It is clearly it is given midpoint. That's why. Now let us find out E. So E point is the midpoint of B and C or BCs. So we have 2 plus 0 upon 2, that is the X coordinate, and Y will be 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So that is equals to what? We will get 2 plus 0 is 2 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 is 4 upon 2. So just divide it so that E coordinate we will get 2 ones are, so 1 we got, and I'll put here square bracket, don't put circular bracket, we will put. So 1 and 2. What? A, that D point we got, or D coordinate we got, E coordinate we got. Now let us find out F. So F is equals to, similar way, 0 plus 0, 0 and 0 we will add. So 0 plus 0 upon 2 and Y2 is what? 3 and minus 1. So 3 minus 1 upon 2. So which is equals to 0 divided by 2 is what? 0 only, and 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 2. So we got F coordinate is equals to 0 divided by 2 is 0 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is our F coordinate we got. Now rest of the sum is same as we have solved in earlier question. Now what is asked there? So find the area. Find the area of the triangle, right? And even find the ratio of these areas of the triangle to the given triangle. Given triangle means what? ABC triangle को हमें means ratio लेना है DEF, area of a DEF upon area of a ABC, right? So let us find out first area of a triangle DEF. Area of triangle DEF equals to, right here, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Right? y1 minus y2. Now half into x1. x1 means your D, right? D coordinate. Okay, x1 y1. This is x2 y2 and x3 y3. तो x1 is yours 1 in a bracket 2 minus 1 plus x2 is 1 by 3 yours 1 minus 0 plus x3 is 0 into 0 minus 2, राइट। तो हमने कोऑर्डिनेट्स जिस्ट पुट किए, दिस इज x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Accordingly we have put over here. Now half into, so 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 is what? Minus 2, right? And minus 2 into 0 is 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 upon 2 into 2. So 2 cancel. We got simply 1 square unit. You write it down below, right? So this is the area of a triangle DEF. So I write here. Therefore, area of triangle DEF is equals to 1 square unit. Right? Put a box. Presentation is very important in the question. Sorry, in the question paper or in the board paper. Right? Now, we got area of triangle DEF. In similar way, we will find out area of a, now, area of triangle ABC. Now, no need to write the formula again. Now, simply, directly you put it. So, I'll write here x1. See, x1, y1, x2, y2. Shall I write it over here above it? x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Good. So we will write accordingly. So सबसे पहले x1, तो 0 multiply by 0 multiply by that 1 minus 3 plus, now 2 we will take x2, so 2 multiply by 3 minus plus 1, right, y1. Then x3 is our 0 multiply by minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Sorry. Yes, y2 minus y1. So 1 upon 2 we got here. So 0 multiply by whatever the subtraction we will get over here. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And minus 2 into 0 is what? 0 only, na? Into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 0 into minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. So, I'll write here further steps. So, we will get here half into 0 into minus 2 is 0 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 0. So, that is what? 1 upon 2 into 8. So, 1 upon 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So, which is equals to 4. Right? So, we will write therefore area of a triangle ABC equals to 4 square unit. Whenever those units are not given, that time we are using a word unit. Understood? So this is our area of a triangle ABC. Now, in the question it is asked find the ratio of the triangle to the given triangle. Right? So we will find the ratio. Let us find out. The ratio is equals to area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. Understood why I have taken DEF first? Because in the question only it is given, find the ratio of the triangle, means that the midpoints joining से जो ट्राइंगल बना है उसका टू द एरिया ऑफ अ गिवन ट्राइंगल. तो गिवन ट्राइंगल हमारा ट्राइंगल एबीसी था, दैट्स व्हाई. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल डीईएफ वी गॉट 1 यूनिट and area of triangle ABC we got 4 units, square unit. So therefore ratio equals to 1:4. Understood? In this way we have complete that question number 3. We will see now question number 4. Only I will explain that question number 4 and you solve it, that question number 4 at home. Right? Now let us write that question number 4. See, the question I have written here, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertex is taken in order. So I have drawn here any one quadrilateral. Quadrilateral है ना, so in any shape you can draw that quadrilateral. It may be a parallelogram, it may be a rhombus, square, rectangle, whatever. तो हमने इस तरह से quadrilateral निकाला है. So in this, that -4 -2, where I'll write here -4 -2 for A. Then B is -3 -5. I'm not going to solve it. You are going to solve. I'm just going to explain you how to solve it. 3 -2 and the D coordinates are 2, 3. Right? Now, do we have seen to find out the area of a quadrilateral? No. Right? We have not seen at all. So, what we are going to do, but as we know, the diagonal of a quadrilateral, it makes two parts of a quadrilateral in the shape of triangle. Once we get a triangle, then it is easy to find out the area of a triangle, right? No? So here, see, here we will get what? If I draw a diagonal in this way, right? Or you can draw in this way. Any one way, just draw it, right? So what I will have here? Triangle of a triangle ABD. Similarly, find out area of a triangle BDC. Right? So whatever areas you will get, just join them. Join करना है. So if you join, you will get automatically area of a triangle quadrilateral. Sorry, area of a quadrilateral. Right? So in this way, you are going to solve that sum, question number 4. Now I'll show that question number 5. You write it down, that question number 5. Copy down. Okay, I have written the sum. You might have also written the sum. Now see, in this what we are going to do. In the class 9th we have studied that a median of a triangle. That question in a question only it is given. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles equal areas. जो दो ट्राइंगल होते हैं उन दो ट्राइंगल को वो इक्वल एरियाज में डिवाइड करता है. दिस वी हैव सीन इन द क्लास 9. So that one only we are going to verify whether it divides into two equal areas or not. So for that purpose, it is given triangle ABC, and for that triangle we have got vertices A, B and C. So accordingly we will draw first figure here. You also draw a figure with the help of scale and pencil. Okay. So this is our A, B, C triangle whose vertices, write it down, 4 minus 6. B is 3 minus 2. Here below I'll write 3 minus 2. And C having 4 minus 6. Now, in the beginning of the question it is given a median of a triangle. Median of a triangle divides it into two triangles. So let us have a median. The median, draw it. So midpoint of any one side, just take it midpoint, right? So I'll take here midpoint somewhere. So this. So this is, I'll take as a D point. So this D is what, or the AD, this is the median of a triangle ABC, who divides into two equal triangles, areas ABD and ADC. Now what we will do? We should know those coordinates of D. And as we know that we are able to find out coordinates of D. Why? Because D is the midpoint. To use that midpoint formula to find out these coordinates of D. Right? So first we will write here, let AD. Let us see this question number 5. In question number 5, what is there? That in earlier class 9th standard we have studied that the median of a triangle divides it into two equal triangles. So that one only we are going to prove here. So we have got the coordinates over here. So A coordinates are 4 minus 6. Then B is 3 minus 2. And C is 5, 2. Right? This is the triangle. Now what is asked? That the median of a triangle. From any vertex, just join any one vertex with the midpoint of midpoint, right? So we will take a midpoint here on BC. So this I'll take as a D, and its coordinate we are going to find out. As we know how to find out the D coordinate or the midpoint, right? Coordinate. So we will find C. Let here first we will write let AD be the median of a triangle ABC. Therefore D coordinate let us find out. So D coordinate will be 3 plus 5 upon 2, x coordinate, and then y coordinate, minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So D is equals to what we will get? 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 upon 2, comma 0 upon 2. So that is D coordinate we got 2 4s are 8, na? So 4 and 0. So we will write here 4 and 0. See student, here we are going to show the area of this triangle. Because of this median, whatever the two triangles are formed, so those two triangles area we are going to see whether we get equal or not. Right? So let us find out area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD equals to, I'll write once that formula, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Right? Formula written only once, write it down, so that half inside a bracket. So our x1 is 4. So 4 is multiplied with the minus 2 and 0. Okay. Then plus x2 is our 3. This is your x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So 3 with 0 and minus minus plus 6 plus 4 inside a bracket minus 6 and minus minus plus 2. Right? So 1 upon 2 into inside a bracket 4 into minus 2 0 is minus 2 plus 3 into that 0 plus 6 is 6, 4 into minus 4, right? Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 because 6 is greater over here. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 4 2s are 8 minus 8 हुआ plus 3 6 are 18 and plus this is minus 16, right? So 1 upon 2, this we will get what? Minus 8 plus 18 is plus 10 and plus 10 minus 16 is minus 6. So we will get here minus 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So answer is what? Minus 3. So we will write here area of triangle ABD equals to minus 3 square unit. Understood this one? Similarly, we will see area of triangle. Now, area of triangle ADC. Now, no need to write formula again. So, we will write here half inside a bracket 4. Then y2 minus y1. So, y2 minus y3, 0 minus 2 plus x2 is our 4. So, inside the bracket 2 minus plus 6 plus 5 inside the bracket minus 6 and 0. Minus 6 minus 0. Just take it those coordinates carefully. Now, let us have the addition and subtraction of it. So, we will have see 1 upon 2 inside a bracket 4 multiply by 0 minus 2 is minus 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6. इन दोनों का multiplication 1 upon 2. Now 4 2s are minus 8. So we will write here minus 8. Then plus 4 8s are 32 plus minus we will get na 5 6 are 30. Now 1 upon 2 into will have, see this one we will get plus 2 so minus 8 plus 2 we have got here minus 6 and minus 6 when we will divide we will get minus 3. Therefore area of a triangle ADC equals to minus 3 square unit. So earlier also we got that minus 3 square unit, right? So what we will say that, hence it is verified, no, that median of a triangle divides into what? 2 equal triangle. So we will write, hence it is verified that median of a triangle divides it into 2 equal areas or into 2 triangles of equal areas. 2 triangles of equal areas. Understood this wholesome? So in this way we have verified. Now the lesson is over, right? In the whole lesson we have seen what? The first of all distance formula. So distance formula, how to find out, that we have seen, right? So let us have a quick recap of it, the whole lesson, what we have studied in the whole lesson. Now just formulas, just all formulas, learn it because it is important. Without those formulas we are not able to solve the sums. So very first we have seen recapitulation or revision, will say distance formula. So distance formula, what we have seen, that is what? Under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, right? This formula we have seen for the distance formula. Then we have moved away. Next, when the distance is from the origin, when we have distance from origin, तो coordinates क्या होते हैं? 0 0. So at that time we are supposed to use this formula x square plus y square, right? Now the third one which we have seen, that is what? When the m1 and m2 ratio, that is given, right? When it divides a segment into what? Internally m1 is to m2. At that time we have seen the formula that we say segment formula. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and this is for x coordinate, and for y coordinate we have seen m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, right? This we have seen. Now when the midpoints are given, this is our section formula, right? So I write here section formula. So this is section formula. Now when the section formula for the what? Midpoint are given, when we have the midpoints, at that time how we will find out the section formula or the coordinates? That time x2 plus x1 upon 2, this one will be your x coordinate, and y2 plus y1 upon 2, this one will be your y coordinate, right? And lastly we have seen area of a triangle. So area of a triangle formula is area of a triangle formula is half into x1 y2 minus y1 plus x2 y3 minus y2 plus x3 y1 minus y2, right? So in this way the whole lesson we have completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, or means in the doubt session, or you can mail it on our ID, right? So thank you, and solve the sums from the reference book also. Got it?